Okay, hi all. So today we will explain you how to download SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server, which is also known as SSMS. So you have to open this Google search bar and type here SQL Server download. Just you have to type SQL Server download. It's a very simple step. Then you will see this page. So click on this first page, and then you have to scroll down. You could see a lot of other options are here. Okay. So now click on SQL Server Management Studio, download now. So maybe uh, like today, I'm preparing this video on 8th June 2025. So maybe after 1 year or 6 months, maybe the Microsoft they can change the appearance. So whatever the appearance may be, you have to search for the SQL Server Management Studio option and click on the download now because they keep on changing the appearance of this page. So now you have to click on download SQL Server. You could see the option here. So click on download SQL Server. Okay, so now you have this option SQL Server 2022 on premises and all those things. So you have developer and the express version. So I will recommend you to download this developer version SQL Server 2022 developer. So click on the download now. Now it will ask where it has to be downloaded. So you can give the downloads folder or whatever folder you want. So there it will be downloaded. So it has been downloaded now, the first one. Okay. So if you want to check, go to the downloads folder. And if I refresh, you can see it has been downloaded. Then you have to click on it. And then you can see the installation will start. You have to click on the yes button. So the installation will start. Okay. So this is getting installed. It will take some time. The installation it generally takes 3 to 4 minutes or sometimes 2 to 3 minutes. It really depends on your network bandwidth. So we'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes. So now you could see like we have basic, custom, and download media. So you can click on the basic one and then scroll it down. Click on the accept button here. And then you could see like it will show you the folder where it is getting installed. And then click on the install button. So it is getting installed. So we need to wait for another few minutes for the installation to complete. So now you could see like it has been installed. So SQL Server has been installed. So first step is over. You could verify all those things. Okay, so it has been installed successfully. Then you have to install SSMS. So click on this. So here now you have to scroll it down, and here you can find uh, just a minute. Yeah, you could see like download SSMS 21. Again, like time to time they keep on changing the page. So you have to find the option download SSMS 21. This is the 21 version. Maybe like next time if you're trying to download it, maybe it will be 22 or some other version. So don't get confused. You have to click on this download SSMS 20. So you have to select this location. So this download will start. So let me check if it has been downloaded. So yes, it has been downloaded here. So now double click on it for the installation process. So click on the yes button, you will get a pop-up. Click on the yes button. Okay, now click on continue. Let me show this. So this installation will start. This generally takes 3 to 4 minutes. Takes long, a little bit longer. So we'll wait for that time. So you could see like download and install is completed. So we'll wait for the page. It will show after this. One new page will pop up. Let's wait for a few more minutes. Yeah. So I think the installation is getting ready now. This is very simple steps as compared to Oracle SQL Developer. Microsoft SQL Server installation is very simple. Okay, so now we're getting this page. Let's wait for a few more minutes. Okay, so now it has been already installed in my desktop. So otherwise, for your case, you will see one install button. So just you have to click on install, and that's all. The installation will be completed. But if you want to update it, you can click on the update button, so it can update. But in your case, it will be install option here. You have to click on install. The installation will take another 2 to 3 minutes, and then the installation will be completed. And after that, you can close all this page, whatever you have. Okay. So if any other page is open, so you can close all this page. Now this is not required. Yeah, you have to click on yes, exit. Okay, then you have to search here SQL Server. So the moment you will write SQL or SQL Server, you'll find this option. You have to click on the open button. So now see, this is SQL Server is getting launched. So here the server name, in case it will show your computer address. So this will be the server name. Authentication, keep it Windows authentication only. If you'll keep SQL Server authentication, then you have to give login and password. So you can keep it simple, just Windows authentication. So in this case, you don't have to give a user ID or the password. Okay. Then click on the connect button, and the server type will be database engine only. Okay. Click on the connect button. Now, once it is connected, then you could see on the left side, you have the databases. These are the inbuilt databases provided by the SQL Server. So you have master model name is DB temp DB. You click on master further, and if you want to drill down further, you can see all the table names what they provide. So these are the table names they provide. Few of the table names are I have created on my own. Then after this, you have to click on new query. Okay, now here whatever you want, you can write your SQL queries. Suppose let's start from Amazon. So the font is too low, then you can increase the font from here. You can make it 150 or whatever you want. Now see the font has increased. See, so that's all. So this is how you can install SQL Server Management Studio. So thanks for watching this. Thank you. Bye.